Hi dear children, how are you? Do you study the last lesson? Last class? In last class we revised our first lesson, nutrition in plants. I hope you all have studied that lesson. Okay, then take your textbook and notebook. Then today's second lesson, nutrition in animals. Our second lesson name, nutrition in animals. And everybody should read the textbook carefully. All the one-word answers from the textbook. Okay. First question. What is digestion? What is digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. We already studied the digestion process. What is digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of complex components such as carbohydrates, protein, vitamin, minerals. These are the complex components. The breakdown of complex components into simpler form is called digestion. Name the various digestive organs of human. The various digestive organs are mouth or buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Name the various digestive organs in human. Digestive organs first mouth, buccal cavity, then food pipe, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Next question. What is injection? Digestion process. Injection. The process of taking food into the body is called injection. The process of taking food into the body. The process of taking food into the body is called injection. Okay, so what is injection? The process of taking food into the body is called injection. Next question. What is stomach? Next question. Stomach. What is stomach? What is stomach? The thick-walled and U-shaped bag-like structure in the alimentary canal is called stomach. The thick-walled and U-shaped bag-like structure and a flattened U-shape. Some of textbook have J-shape. Some textbook have U-shape and some have J-shape. Thick-walled and U-shaped bag-like structure in the alimentary canal is called stomach. Next question. Name the secretion of stomach glands present in the stomach wall. Secretions of the stomach. The secretion stomach is secreting hydrochloric acid. One of the acid hydrochloric acid. Then mucus, digestive juice. Digestive juice it break down the complex components of food. Hydrochloric acid kills the harmful bacteria tender along with the food item. But mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juice. These are the secretions from the stomach. Okay. Next question. What are villi? What is their location and function? What are villi? Next question. Villi. What are villi? Villi? Finger-like projection present in the small intestine. The finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine is called villi. And these are found in small intestine. Finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine is called villi. Villi is a finger-like projection. And what is the function of villi? Villi increase the surface area for the absorption of the digested food. So what is the function? It increases in the surface area for the absorption of the digested food. Small intestine surface in the ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യണം, അതിൻ്റെ സർഫസ് ഏരിയ ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എന്താണ്? അബ്സോർപ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദി ഡൈജസ്റ്റഡ് ഫുഡ്. ഡൈജസ്റ്റഡ് ഫുഡിനെ അബ്സോർബ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ സർഫസ് അല്ലെ അതിൻ്റെ വോളിയം ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീൻ്റെ. ഇതാണ് വില്ലേ. ഇപ്പം വില്ലേ ആണ് സ്മോൾ ഫിംഗർ ലൈക്ക് പ്രൊജക്ഷൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വേർ ഈസ് ദ ബൈൽ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ്? വിച്ച് കമ്പോണന്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഫുഡ് ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് ഹെൽപ്പ് ടു ഡൈജസ്റ്റ്? എവിടെയാണ് ബൈൽ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Bile is produced in liver. No, liver secreted bile juice. The bile juice stored in a sac-like structure called gallbladder. No, sac-like structure. Sac-like structure called gallbladder. The bile is produced in liver. The bile juice stored in sac called gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fat. It helps in the digestion of fat. What is the function of bile juice? It helps in the digestion of fat. Next, define the following. First question, pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Then pseudopodia. Amoeba engulf tiny particles of food with the help of its false feet, known as pseudopodia. So pseudopodia ഒരു finger like projection ആണ് അല്ലേ? When the amoeba use this pseudopodia to engulf the food item, when it senses food, the amoeba produce finger like projection, that is false feet or pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, it engulf tiny food particles and it is stored in the food vacuoles of the amoeba. Okay, so pseudopodia, amoeba engulf tiny particles of food with the help of its false feet, and it is called pseudopodia, or another name false feet. Okay, next one, rumen. R-U-M-E-N, rumen. Then rumen, it is a part of stomach of some animals like cow, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals. പഠിച്ചതാണ് rumination process. Grass-eating animals, cow, buffaloes, goat, etc. It is a part of the stomach of some animals like cow, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals. These animals quickly swallow the grass and store it in the separate part of the stomach is called rumen. First time they quickly swallow the food and it is stored in the part of the stomach is called rumen. And after few hours they eat again back to the stomach. Their stomach and they chew it, and the process is called rumination, and the animals are called ruminants. Okay, so what is rumen? It is a part of the stomach of grass-eating animals. These animals quickly swallow the grass and store it in the part of the stomach is called rumen. Rumen is the part of the stomach to present only in the grass-eating animals. Next question, rumination. The cud of the rumen returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination. Then a rumen is the part of the stomach. The grass-eating animals, they quickly swallow the food and the food is called cud. After few hours, the cud returns to the mouth and in small lumps and the animals chews it. This process is called rumination. Okay, dear children. So first question, what is digestion? We name the various digestive organs of human. We know digestion is the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler form. Then mouth, buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the digestive organs in our body. Next question, injection. Then the process of taking food into the body is called injection. The stomach is thick-walled and flattened U-shaped structure in the alimentary canal. Then what are the secretions of stomach? Hydrochloric acid, mucus and digestive juices. Then what are villi? The villi are finger-like projection present in the inner wall of the small intestine. It increases in the surface area of the small intestine and to absorption of food. Okay. It increases in the surface area of the small intestine for the absorption of digested food. Then where is bile produced? Bile is produced in liver and it is stored in the sac-like structure called the gallbladder and it helps in the digestion of fat. Okay. Next pseudopodia. Pseudopodia or false feet. Right, present only in amoeba. Then rumen. Rumen is a part of the stomach present in grass-eating animals. These animals quickly swallow the food and stored in the separate part of the stomach called rumen. And the content of the rumen returns to the mouth in the small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination. Okay, dear children, our second lesson is over. The next class we will revise in the next lesson, fiber to fabric. Dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. Okay, and study well. The next class we will meet again. Then thank you children. Bye.